Okay. So we are live, yeah? We are live. We can talk while we are waiting, na? So, waiting, na? Yeah, YouTube is live. I can hear it. I can hear it. Okay. Any questions, anything while we are here? You will have to, those on YouTube will have to type and talk, I suppose, yeah? Anybody here wants to say anything or whatever, I can put your mic on as well. Nishant Pai here yet? Nishant Pai is here. I was looking for you. I was looking for you. I was looking for you, Nishant Pai. Yeah, what I did is I told most of them, especially Templars, to go on the YouTube.
Okay.
Because otherwise, 10 and room full, and the other ones can't come in and they think I can't get in, yeah?
Right.
So that way, at least YouTube, they can go there,
Yeah.
Still got about 2 minutes and then we can start, see how many come.
Right, bye. Yeah. Guys are joining on YouTube actually.
I hope they leave a comment.
Yeah.
I think we get like one comment or whatever or something. I don't know. Nirabai, it's not their fault. It's probably me. I bored them to tears,
Yeah.
Pradeep is here. Shanawaz is here as well. Shanawaz can talk on here. I don't know. I'm not sure. Or if they blocked him even on in Abu Dhabi, even on here, which is silly. You can text and talk, but you cannot do a voice call,
Yeah. That's crazy,
Well,
bhai. Very tough in
WhatsApp
Dubai.
and Telegram and Skype and all this, you can't do a voice call. But I remember when my cousin was working there, for Emirates,
Okay.
and they used to use like something called VoIP or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, VoIP and proxy servers and God knows whatever to talk to people and things,
Right. There are some apps by like some Nimgo, some apps are there, but again, it's not. I mean, there are workarounds, but it's tough.
Huh. There's one, I think, like Nergis and them used to use from Saudi, yeah? It
Okay.
was called Botim.
Okay.
Botim, and really, the sound quality was better than WhatsApp and everything,
Okay.
It was really clear and like WhatsApp sometimes is reconnecting,
Right.
This Botim was like a strong ox, kept on going.
Oh,
But I think Nergis and them become a bit busy now because father had a couple of
correct.
strokes,
Yeah.
So they do talk with me. Even the father sometimes messages and talks, but can't talk because stuttering.
Right.
Uh, and what can you do? Health problems? Nothing we can do. Yeah.
Right.
So how many here? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more, and it will say room full.
Mm.
No, I am here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, one more. So maybe the others can join via.
Some guys are joining on YouTube.
Okay, that's good because I gave them YouTube links as well. And so if they can't join in one, they can join through the other. I give both the links. Yeah. So if it says room full on one, I hope they click the YouTube, then they get to it. Okay, so it's 8:30. Shall we start, Nishant? Bhai, what do you think?
Yeah, we can start by
Okay. Okay, today date is 6th. I always get this one. Today date is 6th and 7th of April. We need to be a bit careful. Put our glasses on, because you might end up like we change in CIT, or the CIT that's carrying on can amplitude, yeah, but
Right,
chances
right.
are for a pop, yeah. And in
You
S&P
need to
we
change the layout by.
hope not only that. Thank you. I knew I hadn't done something, Nishant bhai. I need to do this.
Yeah, yeah.
I need to do this. So let's start again. So today date 6th and 7th of April, yeah. We need to put our glasses on, yeah. Glasses on, and chances are we might get a CIT, or the CIT that's in place can amplitude, if it's going down. But in S&P 500, obviously the round is important, and this number is quite important as well. The cycle number 4511. It could become like a support, but let's see. This is Globex. Let's see what it does. But in the day, we do expect it to pop a bit, yeah. So we need to go fishing for a long in S&P today, and we see what the CIT does. And today is a S2L day as well, yeah. So we need to
Okay.
see how deep or shallow the drop is in what you call the real time hour, yeah. But we will get a bouncer of sorts, even a dead cat bounce, yeah. So this number we need to keep in mind, and the roundy, yeah,
Right, by. Yeah.
yeah. At the
I
moment,
think you need to just make the C2 level visible.
huh. Thanks, Nisha. Bye. Called old age, There we are. You got all the numbers. Yeah, make sure I give you all the numbers. Yeah. Okay. So that is the story on S&P. So which will be the same story on the Dow. Same thing. And obviously, without giving anything away, this number is quite important. Nishad bhai, yeah?
Right.
7 cube.
Yeah, yeah.
7 cube. So which is somewhere around here, yeah?
Right.
So it kind of ties up with the S&P, what we are saying as well.
Correct, correct.
Near enough, yeah. So we wait for a dropper, and then we see if we can buy for a popper. Main action obviously will be the real time hours, yeah,
Right, right.
because usually like Vulture Tepid, everyone used to say that the futures can lie, yeah,
Okay.
cash cannot.
Okay.
So the real time is more important, nah? Cash cannot.
Yeah.
So many times you see, like, in the futures, we are either way down, and in the day there's a recovery of it, yeah, or the
Right,
other way
right.
around, yeah. Or if we are up and then the futures fizzle out, yeah. So that is kind of normal behavior after Globex, yeah. Let's see how they wake up. Okay, so that is the Dow. Anyone any questions as well? Do shout. And Nishant bhai, I know you are here, so it's good you can shout me if somebody is screaming
Yeah, yeah.
something. Nasdaq same game, yeah, same game as well. And I think today and tomorrow we might get a lot of this Ukrainian noises as well, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Because I was listening to little bits on the news last night, and I don't know, they want to accuse them of some war crimes and all this and whatever going on now. So let's see what happens there. But nothing will happen because you and NATO is like a toothless dog, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, they daren't put any what you call soldiers on the ground because it would
Yeah, yeah.
escalate. It would escalate badly. What surprises me, I know it's side subject, is how the hell did USA or like Biden and all them knew the exact date when he would go in? Nishant bhai.
Correct, correct. Yeah, yeah.
Huh? Makes you wonder. It's like orchestrated near enough, yeah.
Yeah, it's all orchestrated by.
Huh? Because
Yeah,
otherwise, how would I know Nishant bhai is going to land at Hyderabad on this day? That
yeah.
impossible. 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 Nifty, same thing. Whoa, I know it. Nishant bhai told me you close early, or maybe for tomorrow you might get a bouncer, but watch it, yeah. And we are going sideways, yeah.
Right.
Can you see here? I know we done this downer. Now we are here like that.
Yeah, range.
So we need to know the range and what it does. And when I look at this, Nishant bhai, number is 786, yeah. 786. I wonder where that comes from.
Yeah.
uh, yeah, so we need to watch that. Nothing to do at the moment with that one, nah? But those who are long need not panic. Need not panic is all I will say. Varsha, we will come to crude as well. I'm going to go through a lot, yeah. And because you are in Discord, so Nishant bhai, everyone will tell you when I take a trade, I take it live. It's not after the event, so you will see that as well. And today we need to be careful a bit oil because at 3:30, na, to UK time. So I think Nishant bhai, India time will be around 9 o'clock.
What time UK by?
UK 3:30,
Okay. Yeah, it will be plus this thing.
8 o'clock.
Right by. 8 Indian Standard Time. 8
Indian
8.
time,
Yeah.
8 p.m. IST, you have
Correct.
oil inventories, yeah?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that
yeah.
will give you a move in crude to fade or whatever, na?
Right.
And where is crude now? I'll just have a quick look on my chart there. Okay, it's popping up. So let it pop up. We will get a nice sell after. Nice sell in oil after, because usually from screen watching, you find when the oil is positive on inventory, after the inventory become negative. Nishant bhai.
Yeah.
Or the other way around. If you are negative, then it pops up into the oil inventories. Okay, this one, okay. Any questions or anything you can shout, but this one is just going sideways, doing nothing at the moment. Daxi as well, same thing. Opened up, pop up, LOC, come to F1, not breaking F1 yet. So we wait and see, yeah? Okay. FTSE, the boring one. Same thing, FTSE is hardly moving, yeah? FTSE is hardly moving. Make sure I give you all the levels, huh? Sideways and little pop is still a ranger. CAC, no one trades. We just see French is doing nothing much. Oil. Okay, here you are. Here is oil. We are popping. If oil goes above the 103 mark, watch this area where it fell from. Let's see. This area. This, say roughly 104, yeah? Keep that in mind. If it pops up into oil inventories MOB and that doesn't go over, it comes till here, then it's a sell, okay? Simple as that. Nissan by 108, 9 times 12.
Yeah.
9 times 12. Okay. So Brent will be similar. 108. Same thing. See where this red line is, kind of thing. Here, and it's in the middle as well. Watch this and this area for a shorter after, yeah? And also keep in mind, after 1 week, the oil, US oil expires, huh? Around 14th, 15th, yeah? Okay. So now, if I'm going too fast or something, shout as well. I'm not trying to rush it, yeah? So Gold, same levels. World War. We can just put down 1945, 1939 to 45, 1929, 1914 to 1918. Just do the world wars. 1904 to 1908, yeah? So you should be fishing for little buys, especially if it comes around here, nah? But here is a buy, it will come to LOC and maybe test the MOB, and then we see what happens at MOB for a sell, yeah? Here you can look with a tight stop to see get to 1928 and up a bit. Yeah, it will pop up a bit because it at this drop you can measure this kind of roughly and measure it up here and you will be here. Yeah, simple. Okay, now silver. Yeah, everyone okay with gold? Yeah. Okay, silver. High horse silver, same situation, same thing. Sideways and pop a little bit, yeah. LOC and MOB area we need to watch. 25 5 square Nishan by I think is
Right.
unless it does something outward, yeah. 5 times 5 is we can say question mark, yeah. And also those guys who are new here, every time I put these levels, draw a line in the middle, please, yeah. That gives you kind of rough magnet ideas, yeah. Okay. And Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD is a small buy. You need to put your stop below here and see where we go, yeah? It's a small buy in Euro. These are all the levels for Euro. Now, if Euro is a buy, we always say USD CHF is a sell, yeah? So let's see if we are right. Yes, it's above C2 and it's struggling a bit. So you need to wait, seal it, put your stop above here, little breathing space, C2 and downwards, yeah? Okay? Any questions, shout, huh? Pound as well, look, V shape, give it breathing space, draw the lines in the middle. So if you drew the lines in the middle, so this is your first kind of target, breaks that, comes to LOC, yeah? And if it breaks that, then this becomes the MOB. MOB area, we need to be careful, okay? Yeah? But stop should be below here to give you breathing space. It's slow, but steady. You might need to hold it a bit, yeah? Okay, AUD USD, fight does AUD USD. Okay, it's in the middle ground. Okay, watching time, watching time, watching time. Nothing doing here. It's hardly moving. Nishan Bhai, look,
Yeah.
it's hardly moving. Fake Bhai can have a holiday today. Fake Bhai is a Templar now as well. Nishan Bhai.
Okay.
He hasn't come in, or basically he can come in with his wife because it's a husband and wife team, you know.
Okay. Okay.
They can't lose ever. Guaranteed. You know why?
Why?
Nazir that sells the market, fake buys the market. One has to be a winner in the house. The house always wins, you see? House always wins. House always wins. Good partnership, that one. Kiwi as well is resting, yeah? Euro Jeppy is sideways down, but need to watch it, yeah? Need to watch the C1 area. It's sideways and down. Sideways and down. Need more momentum in these things. The momentum speed is not there. I think you will get some speed today in Nishan Pai
Yeah.
because I know we have the oil doesn't matter, but the hullabaloo we have is the Fed minutes, yeah.
Okay.
at 2 o'clock. Of course, not the same as Fed FOMC, but
Right.
they do the minutes and the talk and everything, and yet after a month or so, they do the Fed minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's see what they do with that. Yeah, but might give some pops or whatever. Yeah.
Right.
So volatility may increase then. But here, look, it's stopped. It's just hardly moving. Hardly moving. Nothing to do. USD JP, that is sideways down as well. Up, sideways, transferring downwards. Yeah. Okay. AUD JP, sideways but down but slow. Sideways down but slow. Usually AUD JP moves quite fast. What about our Loonie? Loonie is at C1, so we expect a little bit of a retrace, but we wait. But really, ideally, as a swing as well, we should be looking, Nishant, by exactly what you had said, by the dicks, by the
Yeah.
nice dicks. It's worth it. Indian INR only 1% trades. So we are at C2. Need to watch it go above C2, then small sell. Yeah. Okay. Euro GBP, nothing doing, sleeping. Euro AUD, sideways and sleep. But pop it because after this down digestion and pop a bit. Yeah. Make kind of like a cup and handle thing. Yeah. Okay. NZDCHF. It's a small sell. It's a small sell. GBP CHF. Okay, it's above C1, nearly at this one here. Need to watch it. Base out, make the V shape, and then small sell. Yeah. AUD and ZD, sideways and slow. It's just sideways. Euro and ZD, no, it's at LOC. Need to wait. GBP and ZD, same as the Euro and ZD, similar situation. AUD CAD, MOB, policeman. If it doesn't get above here, then it can retrace to LOC, but it's holding in this range, And also what we said usually is this is the range, small pop out, so we can expect when it does, at least minimum test here or a wash, yeah? And this was the pop, we can say at least like halfway, yeah? So it should come to test this area here, at least minimum. Because if you take this candle to this candle and draw the half cog, yeah? Okay. This is small sell as well, but slow. Nishant, what we will do is today, tomorrow, whenever you are free, we'll make
Yeah.
the watch list up, We'll make the
Right.
watch list up, and I'll trim this out as well,
Right. Yeah.
Somebody's asking about Bank Nifty, so we will look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I gave the chart,
Yeah. It's there in the thing.
And the CAD CHF is a small sell as well. CAD small sell as well, but risky because you can pop. Okay, GBP AUD. No, sideways because this GBP AUD sometimes when it moves, Nishant, moves like crazy.
Right.
Moves like crazy, so you better to wait a little bit on that than take a risk on it. GBP CAD Same sideways and up. MOB is going to be, and it's not worth taking this trade because if you take in the spread, the difference between MOB and the other one is only like 28 points, Nishant Bhai.
Right.
So you're going to do a scratch trade, yeah?
Yeah.
Going to do a scratch trade. So guys, when you trade something, look at the spread. Look at the spread. Is it worth it or not, yeah? And is the speed there? Otherwise, you hold it for 3 hours and it moves 10 pips, and then you get out with 1 pip. So might as well rest and have a coffee. Sorry for the guys who are fasting. I'm sorry to say food. Coco, what's happening? Coco is a buy, yeah. Coco is a buy, but not many people trade it. Okay, CHFJP has done a nice when we gave C1 to LOC. Now to watch VIX. What is happening in VIX? Aha. When VIX increases and pops up a bit near the C2 area or whatever, then you can take a small sell, yeah?
Yeah.
But size small because VIX is a monster and it's a small move, big money, yeah? So be careful, huh? Mexican no one looks at, so Euro CHF is nice as well. So watch this one near the C2 area or before. If it fizzles out, then another thing I'll tell you, it's not rocket science, but but just screen watching. Try and count the number of candles. So 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, yeah? Usually when you reach around 7 candles, then things start to change, yeah? Usually around 7 candles, 10 candles, but 7 usually between 7 and 10, the picture starts to change, yeah? So keep that in mind, kind of idea, yeah? Learn to count a few candles. Okay, New Zealand card. Okay, we went shy of MOB. Okay, but momentum is slow. It's very slow. Look, card not moving at all. Makes you wonder that you think all the countries don't have their own economies. Now they all wait for the Americans. It's like, look at the screen. It's like hardly anything is moving. Nishant, I look.
Right.
The
Exactly.
numbers are hardly moving at all. Huh?
Yeah.
All dogs in tow with the Americans. That's why the saying, when America sneezes, everyone catches a cold.
Correct.
But I said, Nishant, I've changed this. That was from the yesteryear saying, yeah. I've changed it now. When America sneezes, everyone catches COVID. It's not the cold. Okay, dollar index, look for a little sell, yeah? Keep in mind the 99, yeah? 84 for a sell. And if the dollar index goes down, guys, what happens to euro, for example? You can type it, shout it, whatever you like. If the dollar index falls, what happens to euro? Anyone going to answer it? No? Don't tell me you're all gunge munges. Come on, guys. Somebody's got to have a go. Okay, Nishan Bhai, if no one has a go, we are not going to go forward. Yeah, even if it takes 3 hours. Yeah, so look, if dollar index falls, what happens to euro? That's the question. Those who trade currencies. ASV. Areva, ASV, I need to know your name. And I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why I need to know your name. Tell me your name. It's nothing bad. It's good. It's very good, in fact. It's very good, in fact. Tell me your name, ASV. Your first time here? I'll tell you why. Because ASV is very auspicious. Yeah, ASV. Yeah.
Assalam.
Okay, ASV is no. If you change it, SAV, yeah.
Mm.
Remember in our Nishant Bhai, inner sanctum and whatever you see SAV like with
Right.
that ship and whatever have you, because
Yeah.
this is my father's name, Shama Madara Burmani.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, and my young brother's name is Amanullah Aman Samamad Vermani. Yeah, so
Oh,
ASV is very very good. I felt very good seeing ASV.
okay.
And in fact, one of our cars, na,
Yeah.
the number plate is ASV 007. I'll send you the
Yeah.
picture. uh, so okay, sorry, nothing to do with trading, but I was happy to see that name. I'm happy to see that name. Arun, good, thank you. Okay, so what is the gold currency doing? Okay, and let's see for fun. Is gold trying to go up? And yeah, gold trying to go up, and what you call rand is going down. South Africa is going down. Okay, copper. Okay, copper is steady. Yeah, copper is steady. So let's see later how S&P recovers. Yeah, platinum is trying to pop a bit, same as gold. Okay, soybeans. Soybeans are coming down a bit, yeah. It's a sell. Nat gas, steady. Nat gas inventory is tomorrow, yeah? Thursday. Thursday is nat gas. You stand by line here at 46644. Remember?
Right. Right.
And how we are. I took a sell at 47 something now. It
Okay.
is like 2000 odd points in green, yeah? I took last week 1696 point something, say 1697 points out of it. And
Okay.
this one is now, the other half is like 2000 points in green, but I've left it running, yeah? It was a
Right. Right.
lot more, but this day I was missing, now. So this is still running, this trade. It was posted in Discord, now. But I think this 46644 we did and that time we remember from the bottom we had said this is the price we want, nah?
Correct. Correct.
I think Haji had come or whatever. I don't know how many here do trade Bitcoin. I don't know, nah? So Litecoin is below F2, huh? We need to wait and see. Ethereum, what are we doing? Yeah, it's below F2 as well. Ripple, F1 coming there. But look at the spike Ripple has done. 0.77 and then popped up. Okay. Okay, oils we have done. So these are the numbers for S&P cash, yeah? No, this is Dow cash, yeah? No, I don't need a screenshot of that. We need the pen. Dow cash. The U levels, yeah? So you got that one 6th of April. This is the Dow cash. Okay, so please keep these, and obviously you can watch it on the YouTube after if you miss it or whatever. And I do expect everyone to leave an honest comment. When I see one comment, it breaks my heart. I start to cry. You don't want to all that crying in the background. Come on, guys. We don't ask for much. We don't ask for money. We only ask for an honest comment. Not even a hurrah and pat on the back or whatever. If it's a constructive criticism, we can take that as well. We can take that as well. This is US 500, or we can call it SPX cash. Daily levels 6th of April. Yeah, so you got that as well. Okay, so this is Amsterdam. Amsterdam, same thing as well. 7 to 720, 728, been to around 7 to 6. Okay. Okay. And what is Ankang? Wow, big gap, huh?
Wow. Uh,
Hang Seng, big gap. Also, not sure. Nishan Bhai, is China on holiday?
Today I don't know why.
Last few days, I think maybe they were on holiday. I'm not sure. Huh? I'm not sure. But there is a gap here which needs to be filled. Yeah. Let's see how soon they fill that up. Yeah.
Yeah, fifth. Yesterday was holiday by yeah.
That's why I was thinking there was a holiday, some Chinese
Yeah,
holiday.
yeah.
Huh? So maybe the gap down because of that. Let's see. Let's fill the gap. Yeah. Remember one thing that like in the underground in London, when you get off and it says mind the gap. Yeah. Same
Right.
in trading. Try and keep idea of where the gaps are. Mind the gap. Gaps ultimately will fill. There is no set time limit on them. If it's near, it will fill quicker. If it's far, it will fill later. Yeah. But sooner or later, they do fill. Yeah. But it's just to keep a idea that there is a gap. Idea that you know where a gap is. Yeah. And there is, when we do it in more detail in the class or whatever, we will do types of gaps as well, runaway, exhaustion gaps, and all those ones. Yeah. So you will learn about them as well. Nikkei, okay. Holding near F2s, down, down, okay, upper, okay. Coffee, what is happening in coffee? Coffee is a small sell, but need to, for those whose brokers expire them, you got like, I think about 2 weeks odd, yeah, before they expire coffee, yeah. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Better to miss it a bit and then take it when it is, you got a full month at least, yeah. Singapore, no one does. There was one guy called Eric, but never not seen him after. He was Ruben's friend, nah?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So, guys, any questions? Any questions? And because you're not calling me or Nishant by sir, we have to charge you $50, $50 per question per letter. Per letter. So you can just put it in one as 50, but if you write a sentence, we count the letters, Times are hard. Times are hard. Aha, Shanwaz is saying King Ming Festival. Okay. Gold, yeah, cool, no problem. Here, I'll do gold for you now. Gold, I said we need to buy a little bit, yeah? Buy a little bit and keep these numbers in mind again. I'll go through them very quickly. Think of it like world wars, yeah? 1945, 1939, 45, 1929, 1914 to 1918, and 1904 to 1908. Yeah. So if it comes down here or whatever, you can take a small buy even now and leave it. LOC and this area are going to become magnets soon. Yeah. So you might do a wash and then pop. Yeah. So don't get scared. But listen, if you are going to take a multiple position, don't take it after every $1. Yeah. Give it enough breathing space, and don't put your entries one after the another like that. Just space them out properly. Yeah, every $5-10 or whatever. And my suggestion, use small size. even 0.01, so you are relaxed, okay? And let the trade breathe. And then when it comes to this area here, if it comes to this 1936-45 area, that is when you are looking to go short again. Yeah? Kunal, easy? Walaikum salam, Ahmad. Most welcome. Most welcome, Kunal. Most welcome, yeah? So anyone, any questions? And somebody said Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, is slow, but same what I said in Nifty is going to happen with Bank Nifty.
It is usually that only, but
Hey?
Bank Nifty and Nifty both are almost move similarly. Only range is
Similar,
volatility.
similar. No? That's why I
Yeah.
said that's what I can say about it. It's slow, like it's 37642 or something, and just holding there. In fact, I can maybe take like a screenshot and show you there as well. There you are. Okay. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, that's your Bank Nifty. So this is the U shape down. It's not breaking anything as yet. We need to wait. If it pops up, then F1 and that area. Yeah, we need to see that, and here's, yeah. So that's about it. Now what have I done? Okay, yeah, we got out of that. I just used that screen, grab screen thing, yeah. Okay, so any questions, anybody? AUD fight, let's have a look. It's slow. See, look. It's hardly moving. Hardly moving. Hardly moving, yeah. So you can relax a bit. Relax a bit, yeah. Because LOC, we said the pattern can change, and if it comes down or whatever, then better wait for the pattern. If it jumps up, then this is the policeman area. If it pops up around here, then you can safely look to sell it away. Yeah. But here would be a very aggressive trade, no? And the difference between this one to here is how many points? 75837621. It's about 30, say 40 points maximum, yeah? 40 pips, yeah? 40 pips. 40 pips. And in between line you put, then it will be like 20 pips, yeah? Okay. So S&P, yeah. That's the exact F1, and look, they said rounding and stopping there a bit. So now the first target will be 4511 and up above. Any questions, guys? Anyone want to ask anything? Oops. Looks like no one has any questions.
No questions.
So, okay, I'm going to give you last 2 minutes to ask a question or anything if you're not sure. And I want to know, okay, before the question, how many are going to put a comment on our YouTube channel? By name, by name, by name. I'm going to hold you to it. I'm going to hold you to it. and okay, let's do it the other way around, yeah? Those who don't put a comment, tomorrow I'm going to give a duff trade, yeah?
Yeah.
A duff trade. Remember me, you'll make so many comments that I will get sick. I give you totally wrong trades, wrong, absolutely. So then, they will all be screaming, this guy, he gave us bum trades. Oh, God. Okay, so, Nishamba, we can call it day, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, guys, so I'm going to switch off unless you have a question or something. And remember what I said, no comment. Tomorrow you'll be very careful, very careful. It's going to come out all wrong. Uh, or like in Hindi, what they say, जो कॉमेंट नहीं डाली तो बहुत पाप पड़ेगा. ठीक नहीं होगा. Okay then, guys. Bye everybody. Yeah, bye everybody. I'm going to switch off now. Bye, bye, bye.